Hey, so this is a good tip for if you're trying to service a caliper, brake caliper, and you're struggling to get the piston out because maybe it's really tight in there and you don't want to get any grips on it because you don't want to mark the side of the piston. So what you can do is just very quickly pipe it up to your brake cylinder, you know, your reservoir, bleed it through, and then you know, literally let the let the hydraulic pressure get it out for you. I mean, it's really marked anyway. Out we come. Keep an eye on your fluid level. There you go. Nearly. That's fine. Hey internet, so that was part one of caliper restoration really. As you can see, or as you probably saw in the video, it looks like the calipers are actually repaired by a monkey, because they're just shocking. The seals missing, there's broken seals. It looks like new brake pads have been wedged in there, but you know, the actual piston themselves heavily corroded. I don't know if that's going to be so far down that it wouldn't be a problem. I don't know. I'm going to try and get some caliper repair kits anyway. All of the seals are nasty. The actual calipers themselves are now soaking in a bath of paint stripper. There's no rubber left in them. I know it's going to be quite harsh on them. They'll be cleaned out properly, but I've got to, you know, I want to paint them all, so I'll paint them, refit all the parts, nice and clean, nice and working properly. I mean, it's only got a drum brake on the back, so it's quite important that the front brakes are something like, isn't it? So yeah, so this is part one of the caliper restoration. We'll get to part two as soon as I get the parts in stock. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.